Gentlemen of AI culture, on this channel we only care about two things, pretty AI girls and big bank accounts. So let me start your day off right with the AI models of the day. Her Instagram handle is right here across the screen. Now let us get into the financial tip of the day. Want to make some extra cash while window shopping? Then get this application. Be My Eye is a mobile app that pays users to complete small-scale tasks such as taking photos of store displays, checking prices, or doing surveys. It is available for download on both Android and iOS devices. Users can make money by completing these tasks, with payment ranging from a few cents to several dollars per task. The amount of money you can make in a day depends on the number of tasks available and the effort you put in. However, it typically ranges from a few dollars to around $50 per day. Do what you want with that information, make sure you like for the algorithm and make sure you subscribe for the AI culture.